Today we are learning about the solar system. What is the solar system if you ask? The solar system is the family of the sun. It has 8 planets such as Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. It also has asteroids, comets and meteors, etc. Where is the solar system located? The solar system is located in a galaxy called the Milky Way. The Sun is the largest member in the solar system. It contains about 98% of the mass in the solar system. It is mainly made up of very, very hot gases, and its top layer is known as photosphere. It has about 6000 degrees Celsius of heat. Sun, moon and other objects seen during the night is called heavenly bodies or celestial bodies. The planets. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. Venus is very similar to Earth in many ways, but it has lost the ability to produce life due to the solar storms and its thick atmosphere, making it impossible to have life. Earth. Earth is a unique planet because it supports life. Also, it has the presence of water, wind, air, oxygen, also trees, environment, a lot of stuff. That is why Earth is known as a unique planet. Mars. Mars is known as the red planet because of its brownish, reddish rocks around the planet. Asteroids. Asteroids are also known as minor planets or planetoids. They come in very irregular shapes and sizes. Scientists believe that they are coming from a part of another exoplanet. There is an asteroid belt in the solar system which is about 500 million kilometers away from the sun. It has about millions and billions of asteroids around it, but only 5,000 asteroids have been studied. Comets. Comets are a mass of rocks / frozen fluids. They are often seen around the sun orbiting around it. They are often described as dirty snowballs. Big Bang Theory. It is believed that the universe began as a single cosmic explosion 50 billion years ago. It is known as the Big Bang Theory.